Hi Carly, this is Josh with Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your website, you got a nice header, you got all the different services you all provide, and then you have a great click to call, which is super important when people get on your site. You want them to get in contact with you as quickly as possible. Get them talking. All right, then going through your site, you do have a lot of content. You make sure you know exactly where they are or where you service, Clarksville, and then how easy the process is going through. And then, of course, all the different services you offer, all the different remodeling, flooring, and fencing. And then, of course, what makes you stand out from everyone else. And then you have great reviews. So you got a decent amount of content, I'm going to be honest with you. I would say around 700 words. Now that is pretty good. What Google is truly looking for though is about 1,500 to 2,000 words with organic keywords mixed in. Now what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that customers would put into Google in order to find your exact service. But before we jump into that, let's check behind the scenes and see what's going on with your website. The way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs or Ahrefs depending on your mood. So two things that pop out when we go onto Ahrefs is the UR rating, which is the strength of your website, and the DR rating, which is the trust Google places in your website. Now, ideally, we want these between 30 and 40. That would be the golden ratio. And the way we get that is with backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. However, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because that's super spammy, but a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because that's relevant to your services. And then we are looking for those organic keywords, those buyer intent words that someone's putting into Google to find your service. Now, they're saying you have 280 of them. Let's see what buyer intent words Google is ranking you for. So, new age flooring, flooring remodeling, new age flooring, those are all your name, except of course flooring remodel, but that's a very generic search, just like flooring contractors near me. That can be anyone who has Google can search that up and it'll appear. So someone in, I was going to say Kentucky, but that's your neighbor. Someone in New Jersey can search that and it's not worth it to rank for it because they're not going to get your service, obviously, because they're across the country. The main one that we're looking at is Flooring Clarksville, Tennessee. So unfortunately, you went down in the rankings a little bit, it seems. Someone's beating you out. You're in the 9th position, which is the bottom of the first page. Now, even though you're on the bottom of the first page, you're still getting 7 organic traffic from that, which is pretty good. However, if you're in the first position, you'd be looking at around 25, 30 people. And same thing with hardwood flooring contractors. Where did it go? Clarksville Flooring. You're in the 13th spot, which is the second page. That's why you're only getting 1 person from that. So we want some good buyer intent keywords and location based as well. So let's take a look at that keyword, Flooring Clarksville, Tennessee. First thing that pops up is the GMB, which is the Google Map Pack. Now it's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people will stop and pick one of these 3 people. That's the easiest thing to do. So they'll do it. Now, after that, it goes by strength of website, and that's Clarksville Floor Covering. So let's check out their website. So they have a pretty small website as well. They're not crazy. They have their logo, they have their drop-down menus, they have a nice click to call, and of course, all the different services. And then going down, once again, they explain the different services they provide, and then that's it. So they don't have too much either. So what we're looking for is, well, actually, let's see why they're ranking number 1. Yeah, that's a better thing to do. They're ranking number 1 because we put their site in. As you can see, their UR rating is a 29, so their strength is 29, and their trust from Google is a 6, which not great, but they're still doing pretty well. Now, as you can see, their backlinks, they're 1,280 different backlinks. And that's what's keeping them in the first position, is because they have so many. And another thing is their keywords. What are they ranking for? So let's check them out. Clarksville Floor Covering, that's their name. Flooring Clarksville. As you can see, they were in the first organic position, and they're getting 33 traffic from that. Clarksville Flooring, or first organic position, they're getting 14 traffic from that. Quality Flooring, first position, out of 30 people, they're getting 10. That's well above, that's like 33%. So Flooring Store, second real position out of 69. So as you can see, they're ranking for some great keywords, so they're getting that traffic to them. So if we're looking to beat them out, first things first, we got to get up those backlinks. They have 1,200, you want 1,500. The good thing is you can take their backlinks. You know they work because they're number one, so you can add them onto yours to boost up your rankings. And then you want that content. You need 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and then, of course, more words on every other's page as well. You do that, it allows you to put those organic keywords, those buyer intent words throughout your site, so Google could start ranking you for good words and start showing that organic traffic through your site for buyer intent words. Now, I hope you all found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.